Welcome once again. From my last video, it might be clear to you that to express ability, possibility, permission and obligation, we use special helping verbs before the main verbs, and these special helping verbs are known as modals. In that video, I also explained some special features of modal. Today, we shall study the use of modals can, could, may, might, should and must one by one. Let's start with modal may. May is used to express permission, as in sentence 1, speaker is not really asking a question, he is asking for permission to go home. And in sentence 2, the speaker permits someone to do something. In sentence 3, may not is used to express refusal of permissions to do something. May is also used to express possibility, as in sentence, it may rain tonight. It is possible that it will rain tonight. May is used to express a personal wish on the part of speaker, as may you have a long and happy life, may you have the best of luck. May also expresses a purpose, as we can ask what is a purpose to eat food in our life. We eat food that we may live. He works hard so that he may do well in the class. Might. Might is used as the past form of may, expressing permission or possibility. As I asked if I might see him the next day. Might is also used to express the idea of something being probable, not in the past but in the present or the future. As in the sentences, the train might be late and with your cooperation we might win the match. Might is used to express the idea of something being probable. Might is also used to express a request that is more polite than the one expressed by using the word may, as might I have a chance to speak? Might I borrow your book? Must. Must is used to express necessity, compulsion or strong moral obligation. As in sentence 1, must is used to express necessity. In second sentence, must is used to express compulsion, and in the third sentence, must is used to express moral obligation. Must is also used for fixed determination. It is used for duty and certainty or strong likelihood. It is also used for inevitability, as shown in the given sentences. Should. Should is used to express duty or obligation in respect of all persons, to express supposition, possibility, and conditions. Should is also used to express purpose and result in the clauses introduced by in order that and so that, as shown in these two sentences. Should is also used when giving or asking advice, and in idiomatic expression, as I should think so. In this sentence, I am quite sure of it. It is used to disapprove something that was done in past. Let's see the uses of modal can. Can is used to express ability in present, to express offer, to express possibility in present. It is used to express request and permission in informal way. Okay, when something is not allowed, then we also use can. Modal could is used to express ability in past. It is used for suggestion. It is used for possibility in past, to express the request in formal way, to express permission in formal way, and in conditional of can. Now here is an exercise. You can solve these sentences and write your answer in the comment box. Goodbye to all. Happy learning.